Welcome to the #1 way to make you rich before 2025. Imagine tapping into a 7-figure income stream with a system that requires zero technical skills and less than 30 minutes to set up. What if you could clone a proven affiliate marketing business model designed by one of the most successful entrepreneurs in the industry and start generating high-ticket commissions on autopilot? Welcome to John Thornhill's Ambassador Program, your all-in-one done-for-you business solution that's ready to take your earnings to the next level. What is the Ambassador Program? The Ambassador Program is a complete business-in-a-box that allows you to clone John Thornhill's highly successful 7-figure affiliate marketing funnel and seamlessly integrate it into your own business. You'll gain access to a turnkey evergreen webinar and a 4-part workshop that effortlessly introduces other entrepreneurs to the Ambassador Program, generating high-ticket commissions for you on autopilot. Why choose the Ambassador Program? You're not just getting a product, you're acquiring a complete, battle-tested system that has been meticulously designed to maximize your profits. When you join the Ambassador Program, you're not just getting a product, you're gaining access to a complete, battle-tested system that's already generated millions in sales. This is a business-in-a-box that does all the heavy lifting for you, so you can start profiting from day one. You'll receive the Ambassador Quick Start training, showing you step-by-step how to plug John's proven funnel into your business and start seeing results fast. You'll get access to a done-for-you webinar funnel that can earn you up to $3,243 per sale, with no selling required on your part. Plus, you'll have a done-for-you affiliate program, allowing you to recruit affiliates and enjoy a 50-50 profit share on every sale they generate, giving you extra income with zero effort. Imagine having a 99-day autoresponder sequence working around the clock for you. High-converting, automated follow-up emails that maximize your profits. All plug-and-play, simple. You'll also unlock done-for-you subscription offers that generate recurring income month after month, done-for-you tripwire offers that have already made over $1.2 million in sales, and done-for-you lead magnets that grow your email list and turn leads into buyers on autopilot. With the Traffic Trifecta training, you'll learn how to drive massive traffic using both free and paid strategies. Plus, John will share a shortcut that guarantees you 1,000 visitors in the next 30 days. And you won't be alone on this journey. John and his expert team are here to support you for as long as it takes, whether it's 30 days, 30 months, or 30 years. And the best part? When you join today, you'll unlock a treasure trove of bonuses that could easily be worth thousands on their own. You will get a rotating banner ad on John's blog for 99 days, promotion to his 100,000-plus email subscribers, monthly guest posts on his blog for an entire year, and so much more. This is your opportunity to partner with a true industry leader to leverage a system that's designed to succeed. With over 20 years of experience, John Thornhill has perfected the formula, and now it's your turn to reap the rewards. Don't wait. Click the button below to join the Ambassador Program today and start collecting automatic commissions in a soon-to-be $1 trillion industry. Your path to success is just one click away. Click the link in the description. Join now and start profiting today.